Happy Monday. Happy trading. Another day, another dollar. Not today, but in theory, in the future, every day. So what did we do in our first trade? We only had one trade today. It was Uber. Today wasn't the best day. Family over. Wanted to make money quickly out of the market. We had something to do later in the day. So I took a very aggressive trade. Fab 4, elephant bar off the Fab 4. As you can tell in the 5 minutes, it's a wide state, so you can only expect one leg. I got my one leg. I sold, and then I tried to sell all right here. And as soon as I did, and as soon as it hit my max loss, I would planned on getting out, and then it fired up on me and got this bar, so that kind of killed me, and I was done for the day. That was good because I had more important obligations. I wouldn't call them obligations, but family's the most important thing in the world. So I have more important things to do. But it still sucks. Had this been a little bit closer, yeah, I could have rode it to here, but here's that one, two, three finger. Let's see, we get this would have been the color change right here. Then play it to here, leave a lot, play it to here, ideally aiming for here. Doesn't make it. Elephant bar, whale, head, sell. Looking at it on 2 minute though, let's just go through it. If I would have played it the correct way, I would have sold here, waited till we had a color change here, sold heavy on this bar, and then got out right there on this color change. But we weren't able to do that. Let's see if there's another play. This would have been a nice play off the 20. Set the stop. Buy more. Aiming for the red. Get out. Oof. This would have had us get back in. We played it all the way to the previous close. Now we get this right here is a sell bar. This right here might be a sell bar. This right here is a sell bar. This right here is a sell bar. So we have selling pressure all here. So let's see if we get a sell signal again. Nope. We got a buy signal. But that buy signal was met. This buy signal right here was eliminated. Bull 180. And it didn't have a chance to come back up, and then it curled here. That's when you play it down. Sell, sell more, color change, sell more, whale, get out. Let's go to the other stocks just because that's all we did today. Let's go to Apple. Looks like Apple, tail bar, set to stop. There's a whale at the beginning. Let's see what it looked like on the 2 minute. It would have been elephant bar. Fab Four right here. We have a green bar. It doesn't get outside of it. We have a bull 180 right here. So we'd sell one push, two push, three. Get out. Tail bar, set the stop, play it here, get out, play it there, play it there. Here, position of power. This was an area of resistance. It got to it, and then bull. You could say that's bull 180 right here. It went up, it went down, hidden, but let's just call it a color change. Play it to here. Maybe this is a dead cat bounce. Orders up here. It fills it, and then let's see if it goes down. Nope, doesn't go down. You get a buy signal right here. You can play this as the 200. And you're expecting a large move because this gave you no follow through on the bull 180, which you expected a lot. Yeah, market law 4. I think lower high, bull 180 right there. Bull 180 right there. Add probably right there. Try to play to this. Doesn't get there. Elephant, buy in here. Color change, buy some more. Looks like you'd get out. Bull 180. Wide. Narrow. Play it. This is a pretty violent sell bar. What happens after some violence? What's the chances? Now that was Apple, let's go to Amazon. Amazon would have avoided it. We have Fab 4. So all of this, you would have avoided it. You could have played this one up. You could have played this one up off of the previous support. There's a whale right here. And then you have, let's say, a tail bar right here. You could play the whale down right there. Those are the main plays for Amazon. Don't know why it stretched out on me. So, bull 180, elephant, more. Next stock's going to be Google. Fab 4. Wrong color. You could have played this one up, but that's against power. This would have been a better down play. You would have got the whale. Now you have a three-finger spread. The color change, you can play it up. Bull 180. Play it down. position of power, two tail bars. Nope. Off the 200. Nope. Get another play right there. And another play off the 20. Sell. Nope. This or this position of power. You would have played that up. Next stock we're gonna go for is Chase. Fab four. Position one, position two, position three. Kind of a large bar. You would play that up to here. You get out. Uh, Sell that bar right there. Let's oh, sell this bar. Even though you're looking at that, you sell this bar with the color change because the position of power. Color change, sell down. Color change near 45 degree 20. Take that. This seems like a previous area of support. Breaks out of the 20. We would play it up if we had a chance. Nope. Maybe here. Nope. Here you go. Elephant bar. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Elephant bar. It takes out 14 bars. Buy into that. And nope, you got nothing. Would have tried to sell on here. Got a quick stop in reverse. And you get your finally get your move up. Okay. And our last play for the day is Visa. So Visa, Fab Four. You get a tail bar at this point. You know it's a sell. You get this bar right here, which is a color change. So that's a green bar. You would play it to here. You're against support, but it comes in here. You have a 20 MA halt right here. Looks like you got to sell. Set the stop. Keep in mind the 200 is an area. Elephant bar takes out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 bars. You play it up. Get out. Play up. Full 180. 200. Dang. Oof. Went the wrong way. But again, today, Monday, worst play. Not worst play, but only play Uber. Um, should have played it how we were supposed to play it. We would have made some money. We didn't. And based upon our conversation with ChatGPT, if we did do what we did, we were supposed to stop trading. Ironically, I just hit both max loss and maximum loss for day. So rough Monday. We'll be back at it again tomorrow. Uh, we'll dominate the market tomorrow. Trust me. Deuces. Have a nice one.